Today, we're exploring a fascinating piece of Indonesian heritage that's over 1,300 years old, jamu. This ancient herbal drink has journeyed from the royal courts of Java to the bustling streets of modern Indonesia, becoming a cornerstone of the nation's culture and wellness. Renowned for its incredible health benefits, from boosting the immune system and improving digestion to aiding in weight management and much more, jamu is truly a treasure trove of natural goodness. Stick around as we delve into its rich history and share detailed insights into the many health benefits it offers. Now, keep watching and let's explore what makes jamu so special and why even famous people love it. Jamu originated during the Mataram Kingdom back in the 8th century. It was first consumed in royal courts and later spread to villages through traditional healers. Archaeological findings at the Borobudur temple show that herbal medicine was already a practice in 9th century Java. Jamu is made using a variety of natural ingredients: turmeric, tamarind, ginger, and many other roots, fruits, and leaves. These ingredients are ground into a pulp using a pestle and mortar, creating a potent herbal drink. Each bottle of jamu is a unique blend designed to boost health at different stages of life. Despite its ancient roots, jamu is experiencing a modern revival. Entrepreneurs have opened jamu cafes, giving this traditional drink a contemporary twist. At places like Akaraki in Jakarta, you can order jamu prepared with modern techniques, much like you would a coffee. Jamu isn't just popular among locals, it's loved by many famous people too. For instance, American chef Will Goldfarb, featured on Netflix's Chef's Table, incorporates jamu into his culinary creations at his Ubud restaurant, Room for Dessert. He drinks jamu every morning for its health benefits. Jamu is renowned for its numerous health benefits. Here's what makes it so powerful. Turmeric. Known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, it aids digestion and boosts the immune system. Ginger helps reduce muscle aches, nausea, and improves digestion. Tamarind. Rich in antioxidants, it supports heart health and weight management. Galangal eases respiratory issues and promotes a healthy digestive system. Cinnamon and clove. These spices have antimicrobial properties and help regulate blood sugar levels. In essence, jamu is more than just a drink. It's a holistic approach to maintaining health, treating the body, mind, and soul. Jamu is also making waves internationally. Ana Uspesic, a third-generation Molokkan, started Good Jamu in the Netherlands. Despite the initial confusion about its taste, Dutch customers love it. Anna is even planning to expand her brand to Germany, bringing the heritage of jamu to a wider audience. Jamu is deeply ingrained in Indonesian culture. Jamu is a reflection of how a culture maintains well-being over thousands of generations. The drink embodies the balance of physical, emotional, mental, and metaphysical health. So there you have it, the rich history, health benefits, and vibrant future of jamu. Whether you're in Indonesia or anywhere else in the world, this ancient herbal drink is worth a try. Have you ever tasted jamu? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating stories from around the globe. Cheers!